Hey, I wanted to show you guys really quick how to enter grades. When I was playing around with the grade book, I remembered a way to make grading even quicker. And so we used to use quick grading, and then I remembered whenever we did the virtual teaching, when we had to override grades, you can come onto this screen that pops up as soon as you hit the standards grade book. And if you click this little line, so say for instance, if I clicked this, you can mass assign a grade. So like this one is asking, are tardies or early checkouts affecting the progress towards kindergarten? And so I have no kids that are really ever tardy or checked out early. And so I'm going to mass override and say give everyone an N. And then if you hit save, it automatically plugs those in for you. So if I come over to attendance, same thing, I can mass assign no, but I happen to have one friend that was out for a while, so I'm going to change that over to a Y. So instead of having to hit ends on all the columns, I can just mass assign it and it goes super quick. So I'm going to hit save. And so you can do that for every grade, for everything. So the mass assigned, the majority of your kids are getting twos in this, then you can do that. And if you need to change one of them to a one, you can change one to a one, or if they need a three. And then this is so much quicker. I'm going to go back than having to, when we would do the quick grading, for instance, we had to come in and type down for every single, and then it got kind of crazy. So that way is just a little bit quicker of a way of entering grades. And so if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you. Have a good night, ladies. Bye.